Let me introduce you to the April 2024 GraphicsFlow Design Drop. Every month, we introduce new designs and clip art into the GraphicsFlow platform. The new GraphicsFlow designs will always be listed at the top when you log into your account. So you'll notice over here, I have a recent first selected, and the new GraphicsFlow designs and clip art are populated at the top. You'll also notice under clip art, all of the parts and pieces from the design ideas are broken up into separate design elements so you can utilize those to create your own custom graphics. If you hover your mouse over the graphic, you'll notice in the file name is the date in which the file was released. So in this case, you can see 0424, meaning this is April 2024. Let me take you through a quick tour of the April design drop. The first section you're going to see is outdoor themes. So we created a whole series of outdoor themes. The designs are built around the clip art and design elements. All of these designs can easily be adapted to other subject matter and themes simply by changing the text, colors, and design elements. The next section includes beach themes with a summer flair. These designs have a retail look and incorporate popular design trends as well as monoline design elements. We've also included a halftone pattern. We've included two categories of sports designs, including extreme sports. The extreme sports designs can easily be adapted to other sports and themes by simply interchanging the clip art using the stock art customizer that's built into GraphicsFlow. The other sports category includes classic athletic sports designs in a variety of styles. We've also included a design with a weathered overlay. Weathered overlays can now be deleted or recolored using the stock art customizer in GraphicsFlow. Many GraphicsFlow users use InkSoft as their e-commerce platform. You can easily take a graphic from GraphicsFlow and make it editable in the InkSoft designer. What I did here is I edited a design in GraphicsFlow, I recolored it, I muted the areas that had text and only exported the graphic. Then I uploaded that PDF into the InkSoft designer and typed in 2 lines of text, which will now be live text. I then saved the design, and once I saved the design, I have what's called a sharing link. So I captured the sharing link by clicking on share and then clicking on copy link. Then I created a screen capture of the image, and then I used the content block in InkSoft to create a direct link to this graphic so the customer can localize the design, in this case, inserting the name of a department into a hospital design. In InkSoft, I'm in the style editor. This is where I can edit the page. So this component in InkSoft right here is what we call a content block. In order to get the images in here, I clicked on Manage Content, I imported the images, I highlighted, and then I added the sharing link. In this store, the customer can now self-service. They can click on the design, add their department, get a quote, and check out. I can even set up minimum order quantities. InkSoft users can populate online stores with graphics from GraphicsFlow to create lifestyle branded apparel that goes beyond boring corporate apparel.